Turn off the light! Turn off the light!
I can't see anything.
Shh! They're coming. They're right outside the door. What can we do now?
I guess we just sleep. Yeah, me too. I just go to bed and we can figure this out tomorrow morning.
Chloe, wake up.
That's it! Halloween's over! Let's get it off! Wrong house. Let's go.
Sneak attacks while airlines.
How did you get, Mommy? Halloween's over, Mommy! Let's finish this.
I'm following you.
Bad.
He has to be talking about the swamp creature.
Yes. Oh, look. Shh. Here we come.
Yeah, that's a nice wristband. Thanks for a picture, Oysen. Be sure to check out the Extreme Toy Store.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, put those monkeys right to bed.
Mom, Dad, we're home.
Me too. I'll take some mixed nuts.
I'll have some mixed nuts. You want some gum? Ow, what's wrong with this gum? It just like shocked me.
Well, it's called shock.
Boys, we're home.
Hi, Mom and Dad.
It took you guys long enough.
It's a really funny joke.
Yeah, ha ha ha.
So there's no hard feelings, right?
They're so done.
We need to plan something.
Chloe!
What?
It's time to do it.
Do what?
In the world? How did this happen? What? I swear! I must be seen.
What was that? What's going on? You better come out. I know you're in here. What?
Catch me if you can.
Hey, come back here. I'll get you.
What's plan B? Go, go, go!
Hey, wait in there.
Get ready to fire. Here they come. They're breaking us. I got to get permission to sneak it. Hey guys, this on the way comes from. Mine's stuck.
And also in this video, you may have noticed we use no special effects. Go to our Facebook or Instagram, or go to the link below if we have it there. I'll see you all next time. Doctor!
Good morning. Who's playing a drum? I don't know, but I'm gonna fix it. Be quiet! Got it! I got it!
What are we gonna do? Let us know in the comments. Click on the videos on the side to see more crazy dinosaurs.